Just installed Linux and wondering what apps to get first? Here are 5 must-have Linux apps that replace your favorite Windows programs, and they're all free. Smooth, simple, and perfect for beginners. Number 1, LibreOffice, or OnlyOffice, your Microsoft Office replacement. They open docx files and feel instantly familiar. No subscriptions needed. Pick OnlyOffice if you prefer the new ribbon look. Next up, GIMP and Krita for photo editing and digital art. They replace Photoshop and Procreate for most people and run great on Linux. Full layer control, brush settings, and extensions built in. Third, VLC Media Player is still the king of video and music playback. It handles almost any file type and is pre-installed on many distros. Try Tools, Effects for color and audio tweaks like a mini editor. Number 4, Kitty Terminal, a fast, minimal, and super customizable terminal that makes Linux feel powerful and snappy. Kitty starts instantly and renders text with GPU acceleration. No lag, even when you're scrolling through hundreds of lines. You can split windows horizontally or vertically, make shortcuts, and color themes to match your desktop style. Finally, your software manager. Like Microsoft Store, but without ads. Use it to install 90+% of everything you'll ever need. It really is your new app store. No tracking, no subscriptions. So those are your first 5 apps to install after switching to Linux. Office, graphics, media, compatibility, and your software store. Done. Which apps should I cover next? Productivity tools or gaming? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped you start your Linux journey, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.